If you're a cybersecurity pro looking to level up, you need to check out these top 5 certifications. First up, we've got the Certified Information Systems Security Professional, or CISSP. This is for experienced pros aiming for leadership roles. It's globally recognized and covers a vast range of security topics, from risk management to cryptography. You'll need at least 5 years of work experience in 2 of its 8 domains. Next, the Certified Ethical Hacker, or CEH. Ideal for those diving into ethical hacking and penetration testing. This certification teaches you to think like a hacker, finding vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. You need 2 years of InfoSec experience or completion of an EC Council training program. For entry-level folks, there's CompTIA Security Plus. It's perfect for starting your cybersecurity journey, covering essential principles like network security and risk management. No prerequisites here, but a bit of IT knowledge helps. Fourth, the Certified Information Security Manager, or CISM. This one's for those eyeing management roles in cybersecurity. It focuses on governance, risk management, and incident response. You'll need 5 years of experience, with 3 in management. Lastly, the Certified Cloud Security Professional, or CCSP. Perfect if you're working with cloud technologies or want to specialize in cloud security. It's globally recognized and covers both the technical and architectural aspects of cloud security. You'll need 5 years of IT experience, including 1 year in cloud security. So, whether you're just starting out or aiming for the top, there's a certification here for you. Happy studying!